silence of the night I pray, kneeling down with words I can't say. My heart trembles in love's sweet embrace. In Jesus Christ I'll find my place. Through the storm and raging sea, guided by the faith that set me free. In shadows deep, where fears invade, in Jesus Christ I'm not afraid. Love divine, in Jesus Christ my soul does shine. Hallelujah, light of truth, in Jesus Christ I found my proof. When the world falls apart at the seams, in His light my spirit gleams. All my cares I cast aside, in Jesus Christ my heart confides. On the path of life so rough and old, through His grace I am consoled. With hands raised high I sing aloud, in Jesus Christ I'm forever proud. I found